Everyone, welcome to at my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and everything going well in your life. So before continuing today's session, if you are a beginner, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel because your one like, share and subscribe gives me such a meaningful motivation. We should make more videos on practical topics where I can help you to improve your communication skills, and I can also guide you to speak English fluently without hesitation, without tensioning, without fumbling. So let's get started today's session. So first step, have you ever thought in your native language? Native language means this is the primary language that is called mother tongue language. When you were a young, when you were a child, you start speaking confidently in your mother tongue. Why? Did your parent to teach you grammar about mother tongue language? No, of course not. So why you start speaking confidently in your mother tongue? When real time comes to speak in English, why does your mind go blank? This is not that much easy issue. It becomes more Herculean task. No, you start speaking. I start observing things from our environment. Our parents speak every day. I just start copying them, imitating them. That's why we are able to speak confidently in our mother tongue language. So this is the same pattern that follows English language. यही तरीका इंग्लिश में भी लगता है ना, तो आप क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why don't you do it? Sometimes you watch such a video on YouTube. If you watch this video till the end, I will make you confident. क्या आपको लगता है कि ओनली वीडियो देखने से आप इंग्लिश सीख जाएंगे? डू यू थिंक only watching you can speak English with professionally and confidently? Of course not. You have to practice many times. Sometimes you feel uncomfortable, sometimes you are unable to speak a single words with your own process on your capacity. Why? Because English language our secondary language, it means English is an international language. That's why we face some issues, some problems in speaking in English. This is not your only problem. ये आपकी समस्या नहीं है. Everybody has gone through it. सभी को इससे गुजरना पड़ा. You are not alone. Sometimes you feel what do you mean by stylish English? What do you mean by sounding good? Remember one thing everybody, याद रखिए एक चीज़. English is not about perfection. English is all about expressions that you use in your real life conversation with people. This is the real meaning of English language. Some people considered English as a subject. Many schools are being taught English as a subject. That's why many students are unable to speak English confidently. They know everything. This is not lack of weak at grammar. This is not lack of intelligent. They know everything, but when real time comes to speak in front of people, their mind goes blank. What does happen with you? Everybody does happen with the same things that you have happened with you. You start doubting yourself whether I speak something wrong in front of people, but people think about me. This is the biggest blunder mistakes that you are doing. If I speak something wrong with my boss, with my client, what client will think about my English is not well. Remember one thing, everybody was a beginner. There is no one such a person on this planet that starts with perfect English. नो, ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति नहीं है धरती पर जिसने शुरुआती में करेक्ट इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू कर दिया. एवरीबडी मिस्टेक्स. मिस्टेक्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग. यू आर नॉट अलोन. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप, you have to just speak with simple sentence. You don't have to use difficult or complicated sentences. The more priority you have to don't learn isolated words. आपको केवल बड़े याद नहीं रखना है. You have to learn some common phrases. Common phrase makes your English longer and smoother. So that if I would say, what do you mean by sounding good? Sounding good is not about speaking heavy vocabulary or difficult. Stylish English is means very simple language and clear and organized way. This is the simple definition of stylish and sounding good language. But many people think that I know thousands of word vocabulary, I can be confident in English language. This is the completely wrong thinking. When real time comes, why are you able to use those words that you know in real life conversation? Why? Because you don't use those words in real life conversation while speaking. That's why you are unable to use those words that you have prepared. So this is the completely wrong statement. You don't need perfect grammar before I start speaking English. You don't need thousands of vocabulary and words. You have to know thousands very simple words that everybody can understand easily, and anybody can learn English at any age. I don't believe in the limitations of age. So you have to start observing things from outside environment. But people they are pronounce this word, start imitating like that person so that you feel comfortable, energetic. If you like this video super interesting, so मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. थैंक यू वॉचिंग फॉर दिस वीडियो.